मुझे कोई मार के तो देखे, मुंह तोड़ देना मैंने। आजकल नैना कंफर्म बिग बॉस कंटेस्टेंट में आ रही है। I have deleted because maybe sometimes the likes are not appropriate. कितनी अच्छी फोटो डाली, लाइक्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे? मैं डिलीट कर दूंगा यहाँ से। Somebody gifted me something on my birthday, but I didn't. मतलब it was of no use to me, so I gifted to someone else जिसके वो use में था. We are at the airport. Okay, and the flight is too delayed, and then you start having conversation with someone, but that doesn't mean you're going to exchange numbers, right? Yeah. So they now they expect you to give your number to them. How will I give my number to them? So I had to tell them, yeah. And then I tell them, I put my phone on airplane mode and say, signal yaar.
Naina Singh got into a fun chat with us before entering the Big Boss 14 house, and here we asked her a fun never have I ever and got a bunch of her secrets out. So without any further ado, let's roll.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Never have I ever picked up things from a hotel room.
Never, I have not. I hate people who does.
Okay. Never have I ever Googled yourself.
Every day. What is the news? What is the latest? These days, आजकल नैना कंफर्म बिग बॉस कंटेस्टेंट में आ रही है।
तभी मैंने पूछा था आपसे, मेरा ओपनिंग क्वेश्चन ही वो था इसलिए।
तो मुझे भी तो गूगल से ही पता चला ना। I also got to know from Google. मैंने कहा, oh, yeah. Then I gossiped about me to my mother.
Never have I ever stalked a fan account.
I have. Okay. I do all the time. क्या कर रहे हैं, ये अच्छी फोटो डाली नहीं डाली, कहाँ से ली, because sometimes the picture we don't upload, they upload that also ना. So मैं देखती रहती हूँ क्या डाला. Yeah.
Never have I ever deleted a post from an Instagram.
I have.
Why you have to delete it? Any particular reason?
I have deleted because maybe sometimes the likes are not appropriate. कितनी अच्छी फोटो डाली, लाइक्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे? मैं डिलीट कर दूंगा यहाँ से।
Okay.
Yeah. Never have to delete. ऐसा नहीं किया मैंने कि मैं किसी से लड़ाई हो गई तो मैंने उसका पोस्ट डिलीट कर दिया, वो नहीं किया। मैंने आर्काइव किया है कि क्या कहते हैं, इसको मैं बाद में अपलोड करूंगी, बट अभी के लिए तुम रहने दो।
Okay. Never have I ever faked sick and caught.
Faked sick and all the time. Like, you won't believe, when I was in class 12, I was appointed a head girl, not because I was really talented, because I used to make a lot of dramas. I used to never wake up on time. I never used to be on time in my class. So they made me a head girl, saying that अब तो आएगी ना टाइम पे, अब तो करेगी ना सब टाइम पे, वरना मेरे साथ ऐसे खेले मेरे साथ हॉस्टल में भी।
और शूटिंग के दौरान कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि जिस दिन बनना हो?
नहीं। So shooting is something that I love. That I can never put an excuse for it. Never. Like अगर मैं बीमार भी होती हूँ, मैं तब भी पहुंच जाती हूँ। तो मैं उसके लिए, पर स्कूल में क्या कर रहे हैं? रोज एक ही पढ़ाई। So I've been caught so many times now. But shooting पे I've never done it. Never.
Okay. Never have I ever gifted a gift that was given to you.
I have.
क्या गिफ्ट किया, क्या नहीं गिफ्ट किया?
I have. Somebody gifted me something on my birthday, but I didn't. It was of no use to me, so I gifted to someone else जिसके वो use में था. So I think ऐसी चीजें पड़ी खराब हो जाती है ना. It's better to give it to someone so they use it.
Yeah. Okay. We got it. Yeah. Never ever got hit by someone by the same gender.
Never. I have hit people. Same gender or opposite gender. I have hit. I have never been hit. Yeah. मुझे कोई मार के तो देखे, मुंह तोड़ देना मैंने।
But if in case ऐसा हो तो how you will handle the situation?
अगर किसी ने कभी मुझे मारा, how will I handle the situation?
No, it's like got hit by someone by same gender, I say.
Same gender.
Yeah, कोई मतलब
like
a girl is hitting on you, showing interest in you.
अच्छा, hitting. I thought hitting slapping and all. Oh, that of course, so many. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't even tell you the list, yeah. I think more than men, women are interested in me.
So how you handle it means like, is it cool?
See, I'm cool. I'm not homophobic or anything. So if somebody likes me, I flirt back. I flirt back. It's like, yeah, it's not that, oh my god, what are you saying? No. So I always flirt back, and it's a healthy flirting that we maybe end up being friends later. You know, so I'm not somebody कि नहीं मुझ पे oh तुझे पता है वो क्या कर रही थी, no. So I'm somebody very cool about it. Yeah.
Okay, never ever had a paranormal experience. कुछ हुआ है भूतिया experience types? कभी आपको लगा कोई presence है, something like that.
When I say that I have studied all my life in a boarding school, so boarding schools are pro when these activities like this happens, and I think not with me, it didn't happen with me, but there was a friend of mine. She used to do a lot of drama, like, you know, कि उसे घर जाना होता था तो वो कभी कुछ कर देती थी, कभी कुछ उसके ऊपर चंडी आ जाती थी, कभी कुछ वो ऐसे एक्टिंग करती थी कि क्या कहते हैं मुझे घर भेज दे. So once what happened, she started again acting, and we were 3 girls, the group, me, her and one more girl. So now that नाटक कर रही है तो हमने पकड़ लिया कि हमें लगा अरे 2-3 देर बाद सही हो जाएगी, हम उसे मार रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं. Later on we got to know she wasn't acting.
Oh.
Then they called the tantric, the pandits and everybody. The puja happened in the hostel and things like that. And that was the time I was like, man, tu ye acting karna band kar de. You call any shit. You have headache, you have anything, but do not mess with the paranormal activities. And वो एक आखिरी था. उसके बाद तो मैंने हाथ जोड़ लिए कि मुझे बहुत डर लगता है भूतों से, बहुत डर लगता है. I think one thing I will not do is horror movie in my life.
Oh, आप देखते भी
I watch to scream. मुझे देखनी भी है और मुझे नहीं भी देखनी, और मैं हॉल में भी जाऊंगी देखने और मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ. But I enjoy watching it, but मैं अकेले बैठ के नहीं देख सकती.
Never ever been late on set. कभी ऐसा हुआ?
I have 4 babies. I have 4 doggoos. Okay. So ये लोग क्या कहते हैं, जब मैं जा रही होती हूँ तो they make a very puppy face. तो इनको मुझे प्यार करते करते थोड़ा टाइम हो जाता है कभी कभी, और मैं फिर लेट हो जाती हूँ. तो I think these अभी भी सो रहे हैं. Yeah.
Okay. Never ever got thrown out of public place.
I have. So once we were clubbing somewhere, and my friend had a fight with someone, and this girl, she came to have a picture with him. Like, can I have a picture with you? And she punched him in his eyes.
Oh.
And we were like, what? Well, basically, in our society, there are people who will do anything for fame. And ye ho jayega, wo ho jayega. So she came to have a picture and she punched him in the eye. And of course, she was a girl, so he couldn't say anything. And then he called me, Naina, इसने मुझे मारा. मैंने कहा क्या मारा? And then I held her hair, I pulled her back, and I थोड़ोक. मैंने कहा क्यों मारा? And then we had a fight, and then we were thrown out of the club. Yeah.
Have you ever forged the signature? कभी signature copy किया आपने?
नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ सिग्नेचर की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती थी, क्योंकि हॉस्टल में पेरेंट्स जब आते थे तभी वही साइन करते थे, वरना तो there was nothing.
Okay, never ever sent a naughty text to a wrong person.
Yeah, I have. Do not ask me what was written in it. Do not ask me what was written.
I was saying, what was the reply?
What was the reply? Yeah, sure.
Okay.
The reply. Now you can understand the context.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never ever ever had a tattoo that you regret. Have a tattoo that you regret.
No, I don't. I have 6 tattoos and I think I love all of them. I don't regret.
And okay, ये आंसर वैसे मुझे पता है, but still I'm asking you because आपने भी मुझे इंटरव्यू में बोला है. Never ever ever said I love you without meaning it.
No, I am not. I can't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never ever ever appreciated someone's work when you didn't like it. For the fake praise.
I think we all do.
Hmm.
I think we are in an industry where it is necessary. Otherwise, if you don't do it, they think that you are jealous.
Hmm.
So I think they would rather like it fake than a real, a real thing to tell them. So I think everybody does it.
Okay, last 3 questions. Never ever got turned on while shooting for an intimate scene.
I am not shot for intimate scene in my life. And I don't know,
Okay.
आगे भी मेरा होने वाला है नहीं होने वाला, but I haven't ever shot for an intimate scene.
Okay,
मुझे शर्म आ जाती है.
Okay, never ever given fake contact details.
All the time. I give my fake number only to everyone. Like people, if sometimes it happens that we are at the airport, okay, and the flight is too delayed, and then you start having conversation with someone, but that doesn't mean you're going to exchange numbers, right?
Yeah.
So they expect you to give your number to them. How will I give my number to them? So I had to tell them, yeah. And then I tell them I put my phone on airplane mode and say, signal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lastly, never ever lied in an interview.
Lied. I
Yeah.
do not. I think that is one problem that I have, that I can't lie. And sometimes which it also have backfired me. Yeah, I've been too straightforward and I've always been opinion oriented. So I think I should start lying instead of putting the whole truth. I have to start being diplomatic. Yeah.
Diplomatic, yeah. Diplomatic is the right word. And thank you for doing this segment with us.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Naina. If you did, do comment and tell us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums for more such videos. Ashima Chavra, India Forums, Mumbai.